Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm actually going to show you how to copy a campaign that's making over $10,000 per month with one click of a button. This is going to be super powerful. I'm going to walk you through a 10,000 foot perspective of how this campaign runs. Then we're going to import it into your own account so you can start generating income and shortcut your success with affiliate marketing. So make sure, because this is video one of this mini series, make sure you subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon so you're notified of tomorrow's video and exactly the time that it will be uploaded. You will be notified by email, but you need to make sure that you subscribe and you tick that bell icon. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's show you this campaign and show you the process and the part that you will deploy here in this very video. So here's the campaign here on this little flow chart here. And if you want proof of how well this campaign is working, there's a video I created yesterday that shows you my $23,000 proof. So that will be in the description below. Here in this video, I'm going to show you this process. I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to be setting up today. So here, of course, you have traffic, which traffic we will be implementing later on within this series. But we have three different traffic strategies that you're able to copy. We have Facebook traffic, YouTube, and email traffic. From there, we send people to an opt-in page. And then from an opt-in page, we then send them to a thank you page. Once we send them to the thank you page, there's some things that are happening in the background. They're receiving email follow-ups, they're receiving YouTube videos, and both of these email follow-ups and YouTube videos send people to these multiple affiliate offers where you can earn up to $3,000 in commissions. So we'll get to that point later on in this series, but for now, we just want to set up the base, which is the simple opt-in page along with the thank you page and the email follow-up. Now, to implement this, we will be using a software service known as Kartra. The cool thing about Kartra is it has built-in autoresponder, it has a built-in funnel builder, it has built-in automation. So it's really an all-in-one solution. So all you're going to need to do is go ahead and enter a small little code and you'll be able to import my whole entire campaign into your Kartra account. So step number one is you need a Kartra account. And you'll get a free 14-day trial. This is a non-negotiable when it comes to your online business. There's no way around this. Just like, for example, it snowed outside today. We need a shovel to shovel snow. That's inevitable. We need Kartra to build our affiliate marketing business. So what you want to do is go ahead, step one, start your trial. Once you start your trial, you'll go ahead and log into the back office. The back office will look something like this. You'll have products, communications, pages, some other tabs here on the side. And what we want to do first is we want to click on campaigns. When we click on campaigns, we'll go to available campaigns. When we go to available campaigns, we're going to click on import right here. Now in the description, there's going to be a line of code. Go ahead and copy and paste that code. That code's going to look something like, let me go ahead and copy and paste it here. From this screen to here, it's going to look exactly like this. You'll go ahead and copy and paste that. Once you do that, you'll click on next. When you click on next, it will import it into your Kartra account. You could see that I personally already imported this campaign, but you'll want to go ahead and do it for yourself. Once you do it, you'll see that it is in fact right here. Then all you need to do now is click on deploy campaign. It'll show 0 to 10K right here. And then my description here. You'll click on deploy campaign and then you'll add a prefix. You can put 0, 10 if you want to, for example, and then just click on import. You can see that it's deploying the assets into our account. We just need to wait roughly 60 seconds. And once it's imported, congratulations. This video is going to pop up. You want to go ahead and watch the video. Once you do that, click on the X right here. When we go to communications now, you're going to see when we click on lists that your list is going to be right here at the top. You can see we have 0 active leads. So that's the first thing. You'll have your list imported. You'll click on pages. you'll have these 2 pages imported. So we have in this process, let me just show you from scratch. You'll have this opt-in page right here. When people click the button here, enter their email, they'll come to the thank you page right here. That email will be logged into what's called an autoresponder. That autoresponder will automatically send emails out to your prospects. So we'll show you exactly how it works in action. So let me just continue down here. You're going to click on forms and you're going to see that your form is right here. So now all we need to do is we need to test our opt-in page to make sure that it's capturing leads. Before we do that, I wanted to show you one last thing that we actually imported. When we go to communications, and instead of going to lists, we're going to go over to communications and click on sequences. And then you can see that there's 0 active leads right here. This is our sequence. When somebody fills out their email address, guess what? We'll click the edit button here and we'll show you under the hood of what it looks like. This prospect will automatically start receiving 2 emails per day. And again, these emails, just to show you real quickly, these emails will be sending people to your YouTube videos that we'll set up later, and also to the multiple offers that we'll be selling later. And I'll do all the selling and telling. So this is all taken care of for you. You don't even have to upload your videos and show your face or do anything of that nature. You upload my personal videos and leverage my success to start creating success in your business. So really powerful, right? So you're getting this whole campaign imported with a click of a button into your account. Now let's go ahead and as the last step, let's test our opt-in page. So we're going to go over here, click on pages. You're going to see your 0 to 10K capture. Click on the 3 buttons, click on get code or link. Click on get page link. We're going to copy this link right here. We're going to jump over, create a new tab. We're going to click on enter, go ahead and paste and enter. It'll take us to our capture page. Enter our email address. Boom, it'll take us to this thank you page. And then what we can actually do is we can jump back over to Kartra. We can go to communications once again. We can go to communications up here in sequences, and we can see that we now have 1 active lead that's going through that entire sequence, getting emails from us automatically while we're sleeping, day by day and week by week. This is how you create leverage, you guys. This is how you make money while you sleep. So that's all you need to do in this video. Step 1, get your free trial of Kartra. And then step number 2, import the campaign exactly the way that we showed you in this video. And then go ahead and test your opt-in page and make sure everything is working properly. After that, you're all good to go for video 2. Make sure again you subscribe, tick the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.